you are watching Tech Jacket, and we are reviewing today VU 55SU134 140 cm 55-inch 4K television. We have already mounted the TV, and so we can see it right now. See this, we have already done the initial setup. First we will see the live TV. So this is live TV, and we have seen the channel Star World HD, How I Met Your Mother. This is very good.
But the fact that you did both is exactly why I married you. So what happened next?
Before going further, we shall see the specs. So we are reviewing the remote. You can see overall the remote design looks quite good. As you can see, the back of the remote is a leather, and the front part, the buttons are quite soft. And further, they have given the special 2 buttons for YouTube and Google Play, and also there is a special button for the voice command. And overall, the remote fits the criteria. Now we will review the apps. As you can see, this is a Google TV. It has a Google Play Store. We shall go to it. As you can see, there are different types of games. Most of them are paid actually. It doesn't have much apps if you see with compared to other mobile devices. We have YouTube pre-installed. You can see that. We should play a video.
Nivea Men Deep Impact Deodorant with the power of black carbon formula that keeps you fresh all day long.
The sound quality is quite good in YouTube. Now we shall review the other apps like Hotstar. We shall see Hotstar. This is a similar experience as we see in mobile. We should play one of these.
इस कार्य में प्रदर्शित समस्त पात्र काल्पनिक है। किसी भी वास्तव व्यक्ति या घटना से कोई भी समानता मात्र एक सहयोग है। फिल्म के निर्माता किसी भी समूह या क्षेत्र के व्यक्तियों की भावनाओं, आस्थाओं या संवेदनाओं को किसी भी तरह से उल्लंघित नहीं करता।
रणवीर सिंह के इस ऑपरेशन में 3 लोग मारे गए।
Any explanation?
So as per training under army rule, no collateral damage. वो तीनों टेररिस्ट थे, सिविलियन नहीं।
फौजी, ये हमारा इलाका है, तुम्हारी गोली से ज्यादा हम
As it is a quad-core processor, the TV is quite responsive, as we see the TV is in this segment. And finally, if we conclude, we can compare this TV with MI4. Even though the price is little bit less, but the MI TV has one problem regarding the after sales service and little heating problem in the middle left section. Finally, we are talking about the price. The MRP is 70,000 and we got the TV for 55,987. If we see, we can also get the extended warranty for 2 years. But we got the TV with 2 years warranty extra for 60,000, which is a good thing. And overall, at the end, I conclude that the TV is a good buy. You should really buy it.